In this video, we will focus on common positive ions, also known as cations. Positive ions are called cations. They are formed when atoms lose electrons. In general, metals tend to lose electrons and form cations. The charge of the ion is related to the group number of the element in the periodic table. Let's look at some common examples. Group 1 elements form ions with a charge of positive 1. For example, sodium ion forms a charge of positive 1 and we write the ion as Na+. For potassium, it forms a charge of positive 1 and the ion is K+. For group 2 elements, they form ions with a charge of positive 2. Magnesium ion has a charge of positive 2 and the formula is Mg2+. For calcium ion, the charge is also positive 2 and the formula is Ca2+. Group 13 elements form ions with a charge of positive 3. For example, aluminium ion, its charge is positive 3 and its formula is Al3+. Transition elements, which are found in group 3 to group 12 of the periodic table, can form ions with variable charges. For example, iron can have charge of positive 2 or positive 3, which is Fe2+ and Fe3+. For copper, they can have variable charges, positive 1 and positive 2, which gives us Cu+ and Cu2+. There are some exceptions. Some transition metals usually form only one common ion. For example, zinc. Zinc ion mainly comes in charge of positive 2, hence its formula is Zn2+. For silver, the charge is mainly positive 1, hence is Ag+. One ion worth noting is the hydrogen ion, H+. Hydrogen is special. Now, even though it's a non-metal, it can still form positive ion, H+. Most other non-metals form negative ions by gaining electrons. To sum up, metals lose electrons to form positive ions. We may refer to the periodic table to determine the charge of these common ions. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. If you would like to have more chemistry resources, you may check out my website. The link is in the description. Have fun learning chemistry, and I will see you soon.